go. I'll bring my phone up here so you can see exactly where I want to see the entrance. All right. Just got a new security camera. We're gonna set this up today because it comes with instructions. It comes with the hanging area, a solid area so you can screw it into charging station. We are gonna set up a solar panel because this is compatible with solar panels, but also give you a adhesive area so you can set it up. So we are gonna set up on our gutter system. Underneath the actual camera, you have a actual silicone cover. In the cover, you're gonna find the actual power Type-C connection and the reset, and then the micro SD card. So right now we're gonna power it up. So you are gonna require to download the app. It's included in here. Just download the app and let's set it up. I just put in the camera up there with my secondary camera, but look at this. I'm gonna move it around left to right just to show you guys. All right, so put my controllers, go left, and then I can go right. Look at the movement of the camera. You can't go up and down, only left and right. On this one you have to adjust it, but with the controllers and everything else, it works great. So all right, so audio great. You can see from the entrance all the way back here, wide angle.